Welcome back. Now we are going to the third subsection of the third numerical in the third exercise of real numbers. Question is, prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So again, we start with an assumption. The assumption that we are going to make is 6 plus root 2 is rational. This is our assumption. 6 plus root 2 is rational. So we are making an assumption that 6 plus root 2 is rational. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is equal to a by b, where a and b are coprimes. They are coprimes. So if I take 6 on the other side, what will I get? Root 2 is equal to a by b minus 6, correct? Plus 6 goes on the other side, I will get minus 6. Or root 2 is equal to a minus 6b by b. A minus 6b by b. I took LCM. Now here you will notice right hand side is rational. A minus 6b by b is rational. Left hand side is irrational. Not possible. You cannot have left hand side irrational and right hand side rational. They will not be equal. So it's a contradiction. Why is that contradiction coming? Because our assumption is wrong. Continue. Hence, RHS is equal to A minus 6b by b is rational, and LHS is equal to root 2 is irrational. There is a contradiction. There is a contradiction since LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, our assumption that 6 plus root 2 is rational, 6 plus root 2 is rational, is wrong. Hence, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. It is irrational. So first we assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. If it is rational, 6 plus root 2 is equal to a by b, where a and b are coprimes. Bring 6 on the other side, you will get root 2 is equal to a minus 6b by b. Now we see right hand side is rational, left hand side is irrational. Not possible, there's a contradiction. Why did that contradiction come? Because we made an assumption. So that assumption is wrong. 6 plus root 2 is rational is wrong. And 6 plus root 2 is irrational.